Hi guys, I'm Ray.
And I'm Dad.
Today we are at the Beer Can House.
So the Beer Can House is a very unique to Houston site. The story goes is a gentleman who retired collected aluminum cans and decided to decorate his entire house with pieces of the aluminum cans. And so we're going to give you an outside view of the whole place. It's currently closed, but if you come on the weekends, you can come in here, and they're open from 12 to 5 on Saturdays and Sundays, and admission is $5. Kids under 12 are free. And so we're going to try to get exterior view here, and then eventually we'll try to get to actually go into the place.
And make sure to enjoy.
Here's a little bit of information about this place. So he created this from 1968 to 1988. How cool is that? So we'll have to look up this Orange Show Center for Visionary Art. That's really cool. So it's not just beer cans. You can actually see they actually put a bunch of some marbles into the stuff on the ground. Pretty cool. There's sculptures. I'm gonna zoom this in. So it's pretty cool. And there's a whole back house. And this sits in the middle of what's known as the Heights area of Houston. You can see he used a bunch of tops and old tops from beer cans to make wind chimes. You can see the facade of the building are actually a bunch of cut up aluminum cans that he put around the outside of this building. So apparently people often ask, did he drink all these? And the answer is no, but he did collect cans that people would drink and then cut things out of them, including, looks like those 10 stars up there. It's a beautiful sky today. I'm gonna walk around the outside of this because it is pretty cool. So even his fence is made up of can tops that he cut and linked together. And then you guys can get a good view of what the ground here looks like. It's made up of a bunch of marbles and various types of rocks. And apparently the beer of choice during this time, these are really faded, so I don't know how old this place is, but it's Texas, something called Texas Pride. And you see his front part of his house, there's all cans stacked together. Pretty wild. It's pretty cool. So I really like this sign he has up here, and that is live by the golden rule. So that's a great sign to have sitting out for everybody to see. That's really cool. His whole fence is made up of these cans. Oh, and even the site in front of the sidewalk, check this out. He built up the sidewalk with cans as well. How unique and cool is that? Wow, let me see if I can walk down this little alley on the side of the house and we'll take a look as well. This guy had a lot of fun. Oh, I love that there's these older cans as well. And the porch, all covered with these can top wind chimes. And these rock sculptures. Really cool. There's beautiful trees in his yard. And here somebody's AC just kicked on at the neighborhood. So it's interesting. So you have this house, and all surrounded by this house are these tall townhomes everywhere. So it's this little house that sits hidden away here. The address was 222 Malone Street in Houston. And so it took us a second to find it because it's in the middle of all these townhomes. So here's a good view of where it sits. So it's pretty interesting. It's very out of place, but very cool.
Oh, hi.
Hi.
So, we will be telling you about our time at the beer can house and telling you like the pros and cons. I liked it. It was really unique, and I do wish it was open. It was closed because it was Labor Day.
Yeah, it was over the holiday weekend.
So it was closed, which we wish we would have gone in. We might have to go back another time and go in. But yeah, like I said earlier, it was very unique. And if you just have some free time and you're roaming around Houston, you should definitely go and stop by there and check it out.
Yeah, I thought it was such a weird thing when we were driving down the road to find the house. We actually drove past it the first time. Even though when you see the house, it's hard to miss it once you see it. But if you don't notice it, there's these giant townhomes, which we show, of course, in this video, that are all around it, so it's easy to miss. So it was so neat seeing this, I guess, architectural artwork. I don't know, what would you call it, Ray? It's very unique,
yeah.
and it's very uniquely Houston, I guess. And if you're in the area, it's worth stopping by. It's in the Heights area of Houston. Yeah, if you're down there, it's definitely cool to check out. So anyways, with that,
make sure to subscribe to our channel. Once you've subscribed, press the bell icon for notifications when we post a new video, and like this video, and most of all, enjoy.